How to set up adult Patreon. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can set up adult Patreon. Yes, you can set your patrons page to be that of an adult if you want to. So how do you go about this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Patreon account on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your page as you can see on my screen. And then once you're on this page, by the right side of the screen, you would see three dots, not the top parts, but at the middle, you'll see some options: create, then an arrow pointing upwards, and then you see three dots in a box. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, a menu will be displayed asking you to edit your page, to manage posts, to edit tiers, etc. Go ahead and click on edit page. Yes, so once you click on edit page, just wait for it to load, because once it loads, you'll be directed to another page entirely. All right, so once it loads, you'll be brought to the edit page. Yes, edit page. Now on this page, yeah, you can go ahead and carry out all the settings that you want to do. That is how you want your page to appear. So once you're here, just scroll down until you see okay, what are you creating? Profile picture, cover picture, patrons page, URL, custom page, about your page, intro video, social links. Yeah, and then by the right side, you'll see, okay, by the top part of the screen, you would see a menu, right? You see basics, merge, getting paid, page settings. Yes, page settings. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the creator's account details. Here, for you, just scroll down. Once you're on this page, just scroll down until you see adult content. Yes, adult content. So you can see next to adult content, you see a checkbox. Yeah, and next to that checkbox, you see my work isn't suitable for people under 18. So for you to set this up as an adult patron, just go ahead and click on it. Just check this box, click on this box, and then once you click on this box, this is the requirement. You need to verify your identity with a government issued photo card to share 18+ content or patron. Just go ahead, verify your identity, and once your identity is verified, your page will be set up as an adult patron. So this is very simple, and I'll be going through the processes again. The first thing you need to do, log in into your Patreon account. Once you're logged into your Patreon account, by the right side of the screen, click on the three dots, then you will see edit page. Click on it. You know, the edit page, in the menu, click on page settings. On page settings, look for adult content, check the box, go ahead, verify your identity, and then you'll be able to set up your page as an adult patron. So easy and simple. Thanks for watching.